Hi kids, welcome to KidZ TV. Let's learn sea animals.
A shark in the water, swimming deep in the blue. Dolphin jumping high, catching waves that ensue. Whale is a giant singing songs in the sea. Octopus with tentacles moving gracefully. Jellyfish glowing bright in the dark of the night. Clownfish in anemones, colors shining so bright. Sea turtle cruising right in the ocean flow. Seahorse swirling, dancing with the undertow. A seahorse, crab, a lobster, starfish, squid and jewelfish, sea otter, manatee, penguin, sea wind, swimming in the ocean where the water's so clear. In the ocean, we go deep forest, beluga whale and manta ray we meet. Undersea, where the world's alive, sea lion, eel they thrive. Moray eel with those jagged teeth, barracuda quick and fleet, sea cucumber so unique, sea urchin stanky sleek, seahorse gliding through the waves, cuttlefish with its mesmerizing display, pufferfish.
Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Don't forget to like and share KidZ TV. Thank you.